say Maddie? Can you say Jackson? Uh-huh. Can you say Pop Pop? Can you say Piper? Piper. Can you say Pop Pop? Pop Pop. Yeah. Say Jackson. Can you say Violet? Can you say Piper? What about Franny? Can you say Franny? Franny, good girl. Can you say Izzy? Say Izzy. Izzy. Yeah, that's dirty. Yeah.
Say bye. Say bye.